So guys, I've been working from home since the start of FMCO, and if you're staying with your family, your mom tends to find you to do house chore every time.
妹啊，嚟洗環哦！阿妹，嚟抹床哦！
Even when I'm recording now.
哎呀，妹，你跑去哪里？快点来跟我抹地耶！
But luckily, I got a special buddy 2 weeks ago, and whenever she calls me now, I'll just have to pick up my phone and click on it, and my house will be clean in no time.
Cleanup area is starting.
Yep, the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Pro is finally here, and the one I got here is the black color one, which this color just looks sleek and cool like me. Alright, so this is how it looks on the front, and this is how it looks underneath it. So you got the rubber brush here to vacuum in all the dust and particles, and the removable mop pad behind it. Aside from the color, the first thing you'll notice that is different from the previous Mi Robot Vacuum is the extra little hump on the top, which is a new generation LDS Laser Navigation System. This will help to map your whole living area fast and precisely, as well as keeping it from running into obstacles around the house. So normally for the robot vacuum mop, that doesn't come with the LDS sensor. When it comes to obstacles, it will first bang it before it stops. But for this model, the LDS sensor, it will decrease in speed when it got near to the obstacle and turn around without stomping onto it. So this is just not to avoid your stuff at your home being knocked over, but also it can protect itself better. Speaking of which, it has this retractable bumper that even when it knocks, it will minimize the impact. It also has this large wheel size that can retract as well to easily maneuver off a taller hump, like up to your carpets or like the slope of my kitchen. So the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Pro has a 2100 PA suction power with one 500 ml dust tank, and as well as a 2-in-1 200 ml water tank plus 300 ml dust tank. So inside the Mi Home app, you'll get to choose 3 different vacuum modes: vacuum only, mop and vacuum, plus mop only. So I think enough talking. Let's go into the practical test that I did so you can see the result for yourself.
Dust compartment has been removed. 2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been installed.
So, what do you think about the practical test result that I just did? Let me know in the comments below, okay? So I've been using this for 2 weeks now, and I'm pretty impressed on the results it gave me. Not only just it can precisely map out my whole living area, but also you can have so much customization in the Mi Home app. Like you can divide your rooms, you can name your rooms, put on virtual wall, and also restricted area that you want to restrict it to go to, as well as you can schedule the cleaning time whenever you want. One thing smart about this Mi Robot is if it stops halfway and need to go to the dock to recharge, it will go back to where it stops and finish up the cleaning throughout your living area. And the app will show you how much it done and where it cleaned with all your mapping in your app, so you can track it down. And battery wise, it can last around 1 hour time before it returns to the dock. Okay, so if you ask me if there's anything I don't like about this Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Pro, well, there's two things. One is the rubber brush where it will tangle up your hair after you vacuum, and you need to take some time to remove it with the mini brush provided in the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Pro. And the second one will be the mopping result is not so precise. But remember, if you have a multi-story house, the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Pro only can map one floor per robot. So if you want to clean your entire house, maybe you need to get one more. And the price for the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Pro is 1,399 ringgit. So that's all for today. If you really like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell icon. And also let me know in the comments below what do you think about this Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Pro. I'm Joshua C. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!